Alright, here we go, guys. We're going to do the last of 3 box breaks. We're going to do 2011 TimelessTreasures Football Box Break number 5. This was the Buy It Now one. The surprise, everyone sold except for one team at the end. I just figured I'd pick it up or donate the card at the end, which was the Ravens. I'll go through the team owners right now. Alright, this goes by your eBay name. So JT, you have the Bears, Bills, Browns, the Chiefs. Holidays, you have the Steelers, Eagles, Falcons, Giants, and Lions. Kakua, you have the Cowboys, Seahawks, Broncos, Texans, Cardinals, Chargers, Titans, Panthers, Packers. Got a lot. Little Redhead, you have the Bucks, Raiders, Rams, and of course the Bengals. Peru, you have the Jags, the Pats, Saints, Vikings. Russell, you have the Jets. And CJ, thanks for picking up these in the last minute, last night, well, my last night. You have the 49ers, the Colts, Dolphins, and Redskins. And I guess the Ravens belong to me. They were the only ones that did get picked up. Okay, so you have, here's box. This is the third set right here. This is still on eBay currently right now. And here is number 5. 3 boxes. We have 50, 44, and 51. Alright, then goes down and get started. Alright, let's start with box 50. And for you that are watching this one, it is 7:15 a.m. here. That means it is East Coast time. It is 6:15 p.m. on Tuesday. Goodbye. Alright. Good luck, guys. Let's see if we can get some good stuff here. Alright, first one. Tennessee Titans. Nate Washington base. 47 of 499. Next, Tennessee Titans. Chris Johnson. 331 of 449. I'm sorry, 499. 331 of 499. I probably keep saying 449. I don't know. I'm dyslexic, but they're at 499 is base. If you didn't know. Buffalo Bills. We have Ryan Fitzpatrick, number 37 of 49. 37 of 49. Okay. First rookie signatures we have. For the Patriots, Marcus Cannon, numbered 72 of 490. Then we have a nice patch for the Jacksonville Jaguars, 3 colored game day souvenirs of Maurice Jones-Drew, Jags versus the Chiefs, on October 24th, 2010. This is numbered 1 of 25. Nice looking patch. Numbered 1 of 25. And then we have a Legends game used jersey of Bob Hayes, numbered 4 of 250. 4 of 250 for the Dallas Cowboys. We picked up the Jags for that. Peru. It's a nice jersey card you got there. Alright, next box. 51. Alright. First hit, not hit, but Legend, Bruce Smith, Buffalo Bills. 444 of 499. The Rams, we have a Steven Jackson, 309 of 499. Oh, there's the Bruce Smith. And rookie signatures for the Buccaneers. we have Adrian Claiborne, number 61 of 299. Buccaneers. Next one we got, this one's going out to, this is a nice patch. Atlanta Falcons, game day souvenirs, November 7th, 2010, from a game against the Buccaneers and the Falcons. 3 colored jersey patch, really nice, number 16 of 25. 16 of 25. Then we have for the Texans, Andre Johnson jersey, 67 of 199. Alright, one more box. I'm rooting for you here, Bengals. Hopefully 444 is your lucky number. Alright, first is the Sidney Rice, 36 of 99. Minnesota Vikings. For the Giants, the 49ers, we have Vernon Davis, number 56 of 499. Then we have Ryan Mallett, rookie signatures for the Patriots, number 34 of 165. And then we have rookie recruits, Jacksonville Jaguars, Blaine Gabbert, 14 of 250. And the last hit of break number 5 goes to the Oakland Raiders, 174 of 180, Darren McFadden, game used jersey from December 5th, 2010, Raiders versus the Chargers. Alright, and there is break number 5. Alright guys, well, that is it for that. How much time do we got? 7:44. I just want to give you guys an update here. There's one break left that's scheduled to go off in 24 hours. Here is the leaderboard for the free break of Timeless Treasures. We have Holidays, 15, Kakua, 15, tied for first. Little Redhead, you have 12. CJ 10, well actually CJ plus your 4, so you have 14, you're in third. Harbor Bluffs, you have 8, Wave Lover 4, Sammy 711 4, JT 4, and Peru 4. Those are the top 8 right now, so you can get 4 teams or more here coming up within these this last auction. You will be scheduled for the free break of 2011 Timeless Treasures that I will be doing. As of right now, it would be between Holidays, Kakua. I'd send you out emails asking you to pick one team. You get your first team choice. The top 3 people will get their first choice. Whoever's in the first spot, first place, gets choice first, and then the second place person will have an option of the remaining 31 teams, and then the third place person will have an option of the remaining 30 teams, and then we will randomly assign using random.org everyone 4 teams, and then I'll do the break live and send out emails to everyone. Alright guys, I appreciate you guys getting in on the action. This is really fun. We will actually be getting in, I think today, the 2011 Absolute Memorabilia, which we'll also be doing the same contest throughout the auctions. Whoever has the most teams, I'll break. I haven't decided. I'll have to see how much money I'll be losing, but it's all about having fun too. Maybe 2 mini boxes for the Absolute Memorabilia. But besides that, guys, thank you. I hope you guys have a good night. It's actually Wednesday where I am right now, but I will catch you guys again here on Blog TV. See ya.